everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a test it out sort of video on this Revlon COLORSTAY EXACTIFY liquid eyeliner. Now this is the one that has the like roller ball in it, so, or not ball, it's like a wheel, so you can like wheel it on your eyes. It'll make more sense when you see the next video of me testing it out, but I suck at eyeliner, like really suck at eyeliner, so I figured that this would be a good trying. If it works, then this is perfect. So if you want to see what happened and what the results were and my thoughts, then let's get on into it. So I'm going to open this up, the Revlon liquid liner, and it's EXACTIFY wheel tip. Apparently it wears for up to 24 hours. I'm not going to be wearing it for 24 hours, but I just figured, you know what, I suck at eyeliner. So if this can help me in any sort of way, then I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, I completely ripped off the instructions. So it says, shake well before use. Starting from the inner corner, roll the wheel along the lash line to outer corner. Okay, so they want you to start on the inside and work your way to the outside. So we will see how this goes. I got it in the black shade. I think it's just called Intense Black. It has like it's pretty thin. It rolls really nicely on the hand. It's really pigmented. I've seen nude sticks do this and they have them in like different colors, like they have them in cool metallic colors, but I figured, I was like, you know what, I don't know if this is gonna work for me, so I'm just gonna try it with the Revlon one, and then if it works, then I can try it out with the other ones. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we will see how this works. Keeping in mind, I absolutely suck at doing eyeliner, so this could turn out really bad. But it's a first impression, so we will see how it goes. Okay, I'll zoom you in. On the inside, there's like some teeth that kind of take off the extra eyeliner, like the liquid. So it says to start on the inside corner. Oh, interesting. Okay. Holy moly. That went a lot further than I was expecting. So does that mean I can just roll the other way to make this thicker? I'm so confused. See how it just like, it makes like literally a straight line? Like there's no point to it. I don't know what the heck that's supposed to do. I'm trying to like fill in. Okay, I'm gonna try doing it on the other eye and see how that turns out. It got like right on my lashes. Woo! Okay, let's see. So start in. So here I'm trying to do like little strokes instead of one long one, which I'm not sure. Oh, that's really thick. Woo! That did not turn out so well. Well, I'm not sure how I feel about this. Let's see how. Oh God. This is not so great. What the heck is going on? Oh my gosh, they're two like totally different eyeliners. I can't tell if me fixing this is making it better or worse. Okay, so this side is a little messy, but it's not horrible. Like, let's see. Like, it's not horrible. Then you go to this side. What the heck happened? Maybe I should take some Q-tips? Maybe Q-tips would work? Like, this side isn't bad. It's not horrible. And it's a lot better the eyeliner than I would have done. But it just... This side just... What happened? Okay, I'm gonna grab some Q-tips. I will be right back. Okay, so I grabbed some Q-tips and I'm gonna see if I can, like... Of course I would get lipstick on my Q-tip that I'm trying to clean. This is not budging. Okay. Not horrible. This one, however, needs help. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try and make this one a little bit thicker to match this one, because when I look in the mirror, once I fix it up, it isn't horrible. I mean, to be honest, it's a lot better than the eyeliner that I would have done on my own. Okay, let's see if I can make this one on my right a little bit thicker. Oh, I think I just messed it all up. Okay, so I made it a little thicker, and now I'm gonna have to go back in and like make it a little shorter, I guess. It's like really stuck on there. When they say 24 hours, I think they mean it. Oh my gosh, they don't look anything like the same. Oh, this is a disaster. I'm really trying to fix it. Like, once you play around with it, I think it can work, but like, they literally just don't look the same. This one is definitely a lot thicker. Than this one. I like wonder how, if people would be able to tell that it's different. Okay, so I think going in like small little strokes, holding the liner sort of like, almost like it's upside down, like you don't want to hold it up this way, you want to hold it down so it can really get in there. Why do I keep doing this? I just keep messing up. What am I doing? Karina, stop it. Woo! I just keep messing it up. I literally, it's only this eye. This eye I haven't touched and it's fine. Why do I keep doing this? Karina, last time. This is the last time. Okay. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm not touching it because I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put some mascara on, and then we will see what my final thoughts are on this rolling eyeliner. Okay, so now that this is said and done and I've kind of fixed it up a little bit, I added some mascara, I'm actually kind of impressed with this. Like, for someone who is horrible at eyeliner, like, and when I say horrible, I mean like I purposely don't wear eyeliner because I know that it will ruin my makeup when I'm wearing it, and I know that it will make a makeup look so much better. So I've been trying to figure out how to do eyeliner. Like, that has been my goal, and I think I might have found like my new favorite. I mean, like, okay, so I use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in black, and you know it's just like a brush, easy to see, simple. Well, this is like a little bit more user friendly, and I know it's gonna take some practice because, as you guys saw, like, I messed up quite a bit in doing it, but this was literally my first time using this. Like, I tested it on the back of my hand and that's it. Like, I haven't used it at all other than this video. So I think with some practice, and I think with testing it out a little bit more, maybe taking a little bit more time, like, I think it would really work. So I'm gonna keep using it, but I would definitely say that if you are not so good at makeup, and not necessarily makeup, if you're not so good at eyeliner, then I would probably suggest trying this one. I'm not too sure of the other colors they have. To be honest, I always go straight for the black and I don't even look at anything else. But I think if you could find like a really cool metallic, I know, like I mentioned, Nude Sticks has metallic, and you can add sort of like, once you get really good at it, you can add like a layer of metallic over top of the black, you know, like you've seen in pictures. So that's kind of what goals would be. But for now, I'm gonna stick with the black and I'm gonna test it out, see how it works, try different other ways of using it, but I feel like it looks pretty good. I mean, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and if you guys have tried this before, maybe tried something similar, then let me know. I'm always open to suggestions on how it could look or how to use it better. So yeah. If you enjoyed this sort of test it out video, first impressions, then please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what other types of like odd products or new things that you want me to test out. I'm always looking for trying new things and seeing what can make my life so much easier. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!